So today we'll be making fresh lavender lemonade, and this is the season for lavenders to bloom, so I'm sure a lot of you have fresh lavender in your gardens already, like I do here. The ingredients are going to be freshly squeezed lime juice, so that's about 1.5 juice lime squeezed, some black salt or rock salt, fresh mint from your gardens, fresh stick of lavender here, some ice, a few wedges of lime or lemon, monk fruit. It's a 0 sugar and 0 calorie sweetener. And then of course we have freshly made lavender syrup, and you can check in my recipe of how to make fresh lavender syrup on your own. That's what I made last week. Let's start by adding a few spoons of lemon juice. So I added about 5 spoons. We should then add a little bit of salt. We don't want too much salt on it because we don't want to make it too salty. Sweetness goes better with lavender. And then we should add some ice cubes. 3 to start off now. Adding some sweetener, and then you just stir it. Add a little bit of fresh mint. We will add some lavender syrup. Now I will add some lime wedges and more ice, and of course time to pour in your water. Your lavender lemonade is ready.